Are you a member of a book club or are interested in starting one? East Brunswick Public Library's Book Club in a Bag kits have everything you need to get going. The bags can be checked out for 5 weeks and can be renewed for one additional 5-week period. They're available only for EBPL cardholders. See what titles are available, including Anxious People by Fredrik Backman, Killers of the Flower Moon by David Grann, and Little Fires Everywhere by Celeste Ng. Reserve yours today at ilove.ebpl.org/book-club-bag. EBPL hopes you get your book club started, and happy discussing!